Guys, I'm sure you will love to know how I cook this yummy, very delicious egusi stew. Please watch this video till the end to find out.
Pour savoir comment réaliser cette sauce d'épinards, regardez la vidéo jusqu'à la fin.
Let's start cooking. Hey beautiful people, how are you guys doing? It's going to be another cooking video. These are all my ingredients. The first one is red palm oil. That is my egusi, a 1 stock cube. You can see I have crabs, prawns here. This is my fish I'm going to use, grilled fish. And this is my spinach. So that's all my ingredients. Bienvenue sur ma chaîne, j'espère que vous allez super bien. Aujourd'hui nous allons préparer la sauce épinard. Voilà tous les ingrédients que je vais utiliser pour ma sauce. Right now I have my tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger and pepper in here ready to blend. So today what we're going to cook is a spinach sauce. Let's quickly blend this and start cooking. Let the oil heat a little bit, then I'm going to add the other ingredients and let it cook properly before adding my egusi. That's how I prepare mine, and I love it this way. You're gonna love the end result, so keep watching. Là je vais laisser de l'huile rouge. Je vais chauffer ça un peu avant d'ajouter les autres ingrédients. Some chunky onions, I just put it in the oil. Once it's heated a little bit, then I'll add my tomato puree in. At this stage, you know it's ready. You can add the tomato puree in. It's not really hot, but it's just at the right temperature. Donc, on peut ajouter la tomate purée à ce point. And let it just cook maybe like 3 to 5 minutes, and then we can add the blended tomatoes, onions and everything I blended first. Now I like exactly how the tomato puree looks like, so I'm going to add the blended one. Now cover it and leave it like this for 10 to 15 minutes. Been cooking for 15 minutes now, so I'm going to pour my grounded egusi in. Cover it up and let it cook a little bit more before adding my seafood. It's been cooking for 15 minutes to 20, so it's just right. Now I'm going to add all my seafood in and then cover it up, and I will let it cook again for another 10 to 15 minutes before adding the spinach. The fish will be the last to go in because I don't want it to be all mashed up. I'm loving the look already. Just stir it properly. So I'm going to cover it now and cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes before adding my spinach. Now let's check. It should be ready at this stage. Ooh, guys, look at this. Perfect. I'm going to add my fish and a little bit of onions, and then it will be the spinach curd. Because I don't want my onions, my fish to be all scattered, so that's why I just keep it very chunky. And spinach, once you cook it, you know that come up with some water. So I'm just gonna leave this like 5 minutes, and then look at this, colorful and yummy. Yes. So I'm not adding no water to it. That's how I like mine, because I know by the time I add the spinach, once you start cooking, there will be some water from the spinach, and that will just be the water I need right here. I don't like my egusi soup watery. So I'm going to add the spinach now. Yeah, it's perfect. Exactly how I like it. You can also use the frozen one if you wish to go. I prefer the fresh one. Whew, guys, look at this. It looks so perfect. I'm just going to leave it for extra 3 minutes only, because I don't want the spinach to be overcooked. So guys, this is the moment of truth. Let's see. Guys, delicious looking egusi soup, perfectly done. You can see the spinach is not overcooked, and I'm going to have it with semolina. You can have it with plantain, yam, or even rice. Like, share, subscribe to see more of my cooking videos. Take care. Bye.